Where exactly does onion fit into a bitter leaf soup recipe? I'm asking because I have heard so many people say they add onions at different stages of the cooking. After trying several methods myself, I can confidently say that these two recipes are the best approaches to preparing your delicious pot of bitter leaf soup. I have tested both methods and found them to be excellent, bringing out the authentic taste, the rich flavor that bitter leaf soup is known for. If possible, I would recommend avoiding onions when preparing bitter leaf soup, as they can alter that traditional taste and aroma of the dish. Of course, cooking is a personal choice, but for that classic, authentic flavor, these recipes work perfectly without the onions. Enjoy the recipe and let me know which method you prefer.